Smart Start for Dogs, the treat that makes your dog smart and focused. Now we are going to have an ordinary dog who has just had an ordinary dog treat do a trick. Now here is our ordinary dog. Blanca, lay down.
That's perfect.
Ooh, she didn't do it. Now we're going to have Blanca try the same trick again, except she's going to have Smart Start for Dogs first. Lay down, Blanca. Good, lay down. Whoa, she did it after just one treat. Let's see what else she can do with Smart Start for Dogs. Roll over, Blanca, roll over. Whoa, good job. Good job. Now remember, next time you go buy a special treat for your dogs, buy Smart Start for Dogs, the special treat that'll give your dog the smarts and focus.